Hi, welcome to another video from Ivory Cleaning Services. This is Aiden and today is all about exterior car park and driveway pressure washing. High pressure cleaning can remove dirt instantly, extending the life of the outdoor structures and preventing premature deterioration. That will make it more difficult for you to repair in the long run. It will also improve the appeal and the property value. If you are looking for a car park and driveway pressure washing in Melbourne, Adelaide or Hobart, contact us now for an obligation-free quotation. Like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more of our property cleaning videos. This is Ivory Cleaning Services.